Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a cool little unboxing of the Tesla Roadster 2020. Here's the box it comes in, just like the other ones. Roadster 1/18 scale diecast. This is a shot of the back. Even has Tesla in the back here. Says accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. And the other side of the box, alright, let's get to it. You do have a certificate. That back. Nice and heavy. There's a shot of the box on the bottom. Cloth on top. The red on this thing looks so good. Turn off my phone for a second. Okay, I have the Model X in red, and this looks just like it. The camera is making it look a little orange, but it's really red. Really nice. Detailing on the wheels. And see in the back, you can see that there is actually the hardcover on it. Not sure how to take it out though. Oh, there you go. So this actually opens up and you have the top cover. My kitten saying hello. Interior is white. Look at the detail on that. Center console. Neck. Steering wheel. It doesn't have side mirrors. And also no front. Really nice design though. Let's take a look at the back seats again. Back seat looks like, yeah, it's really tight in there. Trunk, no frunk. I'm gonna put the top on now. See how it looks. I think it just sits on top of it. Really nice looking car. For a size comparison, let's bring out the Model X. Yeah, it's really tiny compared to the X. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.